Hi everyone, Jai Hind, good morning, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Today in this video I will tell you how to your update bank account in your PF account step by step. So don't be late. Let's go into the video. First of all, you will search member portal in your phone by web browser, Google Chrome, anything. After searching, you can see such an interface. You will click on this link, and after clicking, you can search interface. As you can see your display, and here is corner side. You will have to fill the UN number and password, and after and captcha code also. After captcha code filling, click on this login button. After clicking login button, you can receive an OTP. After filling your OTP, it will be take a while minute. After that, you can see your such interface, and here is the four option. And KYC, you have to click on KYC, and here there is many option: home, view, manage account, online services. But I will tell you in this video only KYC bank account for this video. So only I will tell you about KYC. You can click on KYC. There is a three option: bank account, PAN card, or passport. So there is a bank account, and you can click on it, and fill the account detail, account number, IFC code, and select the declaration. After declaration, you can see corner side save and cancel. So you will have to click on save button. After click on save button, you can receive as OTP. After OTP, fill the OTP section. So your bank account successfully updated in your PF account. But not after KYC done, your bank account is not updated due to your employer approval. You have to call to your HR team to approve it. After his approval, then you can see your bank account is linked in your PF account and successfully. And if this video, please subscribe, share, and like, and please press the bell icon. When I uploaded a new video, you can earlier received. Thank you.